Hello and welcome. Today we are going to set up the Windows Server VPN. In this case is 2012, but it's the same procedure for 2019. For example, 2016 is the same. So let's go. Open the server manager. Let's see how to do it. And we are going to add and role. So manage, add roles and features. Just a second, too fast. Okay, let's try again. All right, so this one skip because we don't need the next again, and we are going to select remote access. Just give a sec. Computer destination. Okay, we don't really care. Server next, remote access next. Then next, and we are going to say direct access, give the user the experience to connect to mobile. We're going to select this one, then add the features, and next, restart the destination. Okay, install. Okay, when it's finished, press close. Sorry. Press close. Now let's see what they say here. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see what. Okay, then. So at this point, we go to Tools and go here, Routing and Remote Access. Okay, open a bit this one. And so here, right click and select the first one. Then next. Then custom configuration. This one close because I don't want this one. So next. VPN access and NAT. This one I'm not sure about that. So finish. Start service. Let me see if I have a NAT here. Great. So at this point, right click, properties. Let me see. Then security. Then allowed custom IPsec policy for L2TP. Then we are going to put a password here, CrazyNet 2021. Then go to IPv4 and say static address pool and put some address pool here, 100.1. Then it will be the IP assigned to my VPN client. So apply. To enable, you must restarting. Yeah, okay, then no problem. So at this point, right click, all task, restart. So at this point, I'm going to create one user. Manage Active Directory, users, and computers. So I'm going to create one user, then I'm going to use it for a test. New user, CrazyNet. Okay, so let's put CrazyNet as user. Then password CrazyNet 2021 CrazyNet 2021 exclamation point. User must do. Password is never expired. Finished. Windows password doesn't make. CrazyNet 2021 exclamation point. CrazyNet 2021 exclamation point. Let's see. What kind of password mean? Okay, put this password here. Should work. This one, no? Okay. This one works. Okay then. So at this point, the properties on the user, dial in, allowed, and apply. So at this point, I think it's everything okay. Enable. Okay then. Let's see if it works now. So okay, I'm going to set my telephone. CrazyNet is the user. And sorry, I'm going to digit the password and connect. Let's see if it's connecting. Of course, and try with the mobile connection, huh? Because with your Wi-Fi you can't. Unsuccessful. Let me see. CrazyNet. Let me try to type the password again because they say connecting. Connected. And my mobile is connected to my server. Refresh list. You see? One client is connected, then it's my mobile, and for do that, if you want try to by yourself, don't forget to do so. Let me show to you. Open this page. This is my router page, my home router, and let's open. Why so slow? So because probably I was already in. Let me try again. Right. So okay, in this case, on my router is under advanced. You have to open UDP port 500, UDP port 4500, and L2TP port 1723, and port 50. UDP. I choose TCP or UDP, but this is UDP. And that's all. You set your server VPN. Thank you for watching.